So, for anyone unfortunate enough to have their headlights look like this on a 2010 to 2014 Subaru Legacy and Subaru Outback, I'm going to show you how to change the headlight. Now, normally, I give Subaru credit for being really easy to work on, but this one really is a fail. They really dropped the ball with this. The good news is once you know how to do it, it's not that bad. The first thing you'll want to do is turn the wheel all the way in. Whichever side you're working on is what direction you'll want to go. In this case, I'm working on the driver's side, so I turn the wheel all the way to the left to give me access to this fender liner here. With the wheel turned up, I'm going to take this plastic trim removal tool. You could probably use a flathead, but this just makes it a little easier. I'm going to remove this pop rivet right here. With that one out of the way, we're going to go, so here's your wheel. We're going to go and follow the wheel arch down to the bottom, and then we're going to remove another tab down here. I can actually get you a good shot of this one, so I'll show you what the whole process looks like. It's that easy. Now I'm going to pry this bumper out of the tabs there, just like that. And I'm going to pry this one down. And from there, if you look way up, that circle behind this is the headlight access cover that we're wanting to reach. So you can imagine just how difficult it is to get up there. So again, here's the wheel, and at this point I'm going to have to switch the tripod because I need two hands to do this. But I'm going to reach up and I'm going to go for this gray piece back there, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. So it'll look like this will give a better view here. So it's nearly impossible for me to get a shot, but this you can push, and you can see if you push it to the right, it'll unlock it, and then you can just kind of wiggle it off. When we go to reinstall it, we'll put it back on and we'll pull it left so that it's locked. So same thing as before, we'll hold it back and then we'll reach up. But that is our goal there. So we've moved over to a different car so I can show this easier. This isn't the same headlight, but it's the same style of mounting. But this little paper clip kind of guy, you want to take the pressure off and pull the whole mechanism out. And pull it out, and then when you reinstall it, this tab here, you'll want to realign with the headlight. So when you reinstall, it'll only really want to go one way, which in this car is that way. Make sure it's aligned properly, put it down, lock it in place, and then reinstall the connector. In this case it looks like that, back on the car. We'll go ahead and get the connector off. There it is, a bad headlight. The bulb we're going to replace it with is an H7 bulb. I got a pair of Sylvania for not too much. I'll leave a link in the description, but you should be able to find this pretty much any auto parts store, probably even Walmart and that sort of thing. When you touch the new bulb, it's a good idea to put gloves on or at the very least try and hold a paper towel, because the oils in your fingers can actually shorten the lifespan of the bulb. But let's go ahead and install it now. And to show what that looks like if you're watching yourself, I'm going to have to just go by feel here, and I can't even get you a good angle, so that's why I just used the other car there. So if you can see where my arm is, my middle finger is in the hole for the headlight currently. You could probably see it if you could see the headlight. With that as a reference, I'm now going to go take the headlight and follow the same path. I really just have to do this one by feel. I'm sorry, guys. So what I'm doing right now, it's in the hole, but I'm just spinning it until it seats, which it just did. And then I can hold it in place with my thumb while I put the lever on. And there we go. I'm now going to put the connector on. Again, I'm doing all this by feel. That's all Subaru gives us. Okay. Once again, there's the connection back here, just above my glove. There we go. It's in focus now. There's the lever and there's the connector. Grabbing the connector and pulling it off, per se, actually blocks the shot, and this is the only access that we have. And with that back in place, locked in place there, we are now good to go. We're now going to go ahead, make sure the bumper's aligned with the mount, push it all back in, push this piece back up, and then we're going to go ahead and put those tabs in. With this one, we want to make sure everything's aligned, just like that. Then you just pop it in. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And there you go. So you can actually do this on the ground. I have the car jacked up right now because I'm doing other work to it, but hopefully this helps somebody change their headlights in one of these. It's not the most pleasant thing. Hope it helps somebody. Thanks for watching.